So I have Victoria Braid XP Premium Quality Hair. It is 84 inches, I believe. I am going to start doing my client's hair, and it's going to be about bra strap length. So I'm going to cut this pack in 4 for the back. And I'm going to get another pack, and I'm going to cut that into 3 for the top so that they can be all even. Alright, I'm going to take my edge control, put it right here. I'm going to get right here. Edge control. I'm going to get about this much hair. And I'm going to stretch it a little bit. Okay. I'm going to get my part. Make sure it's clean. And I'm gonna make 3 pieces. And I'm gonna grab this strand of hair and attach it. And making sure it's tight and make sure there's enough tension on it so that the braid looks nice and even. I'm getting at the end right here. And I'm basically gonna take this piece right here, I'm gonna tie it around, then do it again. Boom. So this is the first braid. Okay, so I've done a few braids, and you can kind of see I'm doing a brick lay like pattern when I'm braiding her hair. So, you know, these two, and then this will go in the middle, and then I'll just kind of go in between all of them. And after I'm done, I'll go in and I'll cut the straight hairs with a scissor, and I'll dip her ends in hot water. I have a video on how to seal the ends and how to dip that. You can check that out. I'll leave the link in the description bar. But yeah, so this is what I got so far. So I'm gonna do one more. Do this right here. Make sure the part is clean, and I'm gonna get about this much hair. I'm gonna stretch it. When you stretch it, it leaves the ends feathered out, so you have a little bit of length on it. So I'm gonna stretch it, makes it a little bit longer, and it tapers down instead of being like a really blunt end. So you can see I took it, broke it in half, so I have 2 pieces. But this piece is a little smaller than this piece. This piece I'm gonna wrap over, so that's why this piece is smaller. So the small piece is gonna wrap over, and it's gonna be just as thick as the other 2. So now I have 3 pieces, and then I'm just gonna grab this and then just start braiding it. And again, I want to make sure my tension is good. You can tell that, like, if you get your hair done by the quality of the braid, if you can see in between